Today I would like to explain the Berlin method of settling into daycare. The settling in process takes place in several phases and is always tailored to your child's needs. The basic phase. During the first few days, you accompany your child to the daycare center and stay with them the whole time. Your child gets to know the new environment, the daycare teachers, and other children. It is important that your child finds a permanent contact person among the daycare professionals with whom they can build trust. The separation phase. After a few days, we will try out for the first time how your child reacts to a short separation. This only happens when your child shows that they are ready for it. You say goodbye for a few minutes and stay in the daycare center. The daycare teachers will observe closely how your child reacts. If they calm down easily, we will gradually extend the separation times. The stabilization phase. Your child stays in the daycare alone for longer and takes an active part in everyday life. You as a parent withdraw more and more, but are still nearby so that you can be with your child again quickly if necessary. The daycare teachers ensure that your child feels safe and secure. The final phase. The settling in period is complete when your child feels comfortable, has built up trust with the teachers, and stays in the daycare without any problems. How long this process takes depends on the individual pace of your child. The aim of the Berlin method is to make the transition to daycare as easy as possible for your child. Give your child the time they need. And don't worry, our team is there to support you and your child on this journey. Thank you for your trust.